following aspect that we're going to do. It's not the main aspect, but it's just to complete what has been started by the state.
Asilona-ke udaba olukhulu lokho kodwa nje ukuthi nje siqadeleleke lokho umshushisi ebeseqalile.
You referred to an exhibit SD, which is the photo of accused number 3, and you correctly identified it as such. May it please.
Kunesithombe ke lana osikhonjisiwe-ke sakhe umsola wesithathu ngempela-ke nawe wase usikhomba-ke ukuthi usho-ke ukuthi uyena impela.
You went through, the state requested you to identify certain features which are appearing on the photo, identified them.
Wase ucelwa-ke ukuthi-ke kunezinto thizeni-ke ocela ukuthi-ke uyikhombele noma uzisho wakwenza-ke lokho so nesithombe.
Yes. Importantly, the last aspect that the state actually reminded you, which you did not do, is that he also reminded you to tell this court what his color is. Do you still remember that?
Buziwe futhi-ke nangebala lakhe-ke bekhumbula lokho. Yes.
And you told this court that he's very white. Actually, that's the rest of his family. This is how the rest of his family is, not so.
Washo-ke ukuthi-ke umpofu nokuthi-ke bonke-ke kibo ibala labo-ke leli bampofu.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Amongst others, you were requested to say something about his teeth. And then you said there is gold there.
Celiwe futhi-ke ukuthi-ke uphawuleke ngamazinyo akhe washo ukuthi-ke kunegolide ekhona lapho. Yes.
Thank you. Now, please understand me. I want us to clarify your observation. Do you understand?
Ngicela ungizwe kahle-ke ngifuna nje sichazeke nje noma-ke kucaceke la kuloko okubonayyo noma okubonile.
Thank you. Now, you were specifically requested to comment on his teeth on the upper jaw.
Uceliwe-ke ukuthi-ke ukhulume ngamazinyo akhe noma uphawule ngamazinyo akhe-ke la angaphezulu. Yes.
And let us start that process again. His teeth, his upper jaw, the teeth in his upper jaw, how do they look like?
Amazinyo akhe la ala ngaphezulu abukeka kanjani?
Or what is the color that you see in that photo of the teeth in his upper jaw?
Noma-ke umbala wamazinyo akhe la aphezulu obonayo lapha esithombeni. I see them to be white.
Thank you. That's the color, not so.
Umbala lo wangithi. Yes.
You approached the screen and immediately said, there is gold there.
Ubese usondela-ke laphayana wase usho-ke ukuthi-ke kunegold lapha. Yes.
Why do you say there is gold there?
Kungani uthi-ke kunegold? The one right at the end, the witness pointing to his left,
Yes.
appears like a gold.
Yes, that's what I'm asking you. Why do you say it appears like a gold?
Yilokho-ke ngikubuza kwena-ke kungani uthi libukeka ngathi i-gold?
Is it because of the color?
Ngabe ngenxa yombala yini? I saw it to be different compared to the others. It's like gold. It's like it's gold.
It's like it is gold. You know, as I've said, it's just a clarification of your answer. Why do you say it is like? You are saying it seems as if it is gold. Now I'm asking you, why do you say it seems as if it is gold?
Uthi-ke ingathi yigolide noma-ke yigoldi. Ngizama-ke ukuthi ngizwe-ke impendulo leyo yakhe kungani usho kanjalo.
Ngathi umshushisi ubuzile engibuza ukuthi igoldi le ngiyapha amazinyo akhe. Ngathi khona lapho imoto khona igolide amtshathi ngiyabona igolide.
I think the state of the prosecutor asked me if it is gold or it was pointed out as gold, and then I indicated that I can see that it is gold.
So it's the state who suggested that could be a gold.
Okushoyo-ke ukuthi umshushisi okuvezile ukuthi-ke kuyi-gold.
Yeah, yikho ngithe mayiqhubeka umshushisi mthetho since ngimazi uMncube angimazi ngithile ngigcina 20.
Yes. Hence, when the state went on, I then said that since knowing Mncube, growing up with Mncube, I've never known him to be someone with gold. Up until the last time I saw him in 2011, I've never known him to be someone with gold.
Thank you, Mr. Witeleji. I want us to put that which you have just mentioned now in bold letters. The state has suggested to you that could be a gold.
Ngiyabonga-ke Mnumzane Buthelezi sengifuna lokho-ke manje sikubeke-ke kugqameke ngamagama-ke amakhulu ukuthi-ke kube umshushisi okuvezayo-ke noma-ke okuvezile kuwena ukuthi-ke leyana iyigolide noma kungaba yigolide. Yes.
And then you said you do not know accused number 3 having a gold.
My apologies to Advocate Minister, my lord. I never suggested to the witness that was gold. I said, what is it that is you can see on the upper teeth, my lord, and on the upper quadrant, and the witness responded that it was gold. I did not suggest an answer to him.
uthi-ke umshushisi-ke akusiyena okuvezile-ke lokho ubuzile nje kuphela ukuthi-ke ufakazi yini ayibonayo kulamazinyo angaphezulu esithondeni laphaya.
Thank you. Mr. Buthelezi, I've said this is it's just an end small. It's not something big. But your version is you never knew Mr. Ncube with a gold insert or whatever in his dental formula.
Kodwa-ke okushoyo wena ukuthi-ke nje ekumazini kwakho-ke yena-ke uNcube awumazi enegoldi. Yes.
Thank you. Let me just do exactly what the state did with you. It referred you to the testimony of Mr. Khumalo, who arrested you. It also referred you to the testimony of Mr. Mboto. It also spoke about Mr. Mboto that you did not know, or that you do not know. Do you still remember that?
Angenzeke lokho-ke umshushisi akwenzile ukhulume ngawe-ke ngofakazi bakhe uKenel Khumalo wase futhi-ke ekhuluma ngaye-ke uKenel Mboto ongamazi angithi. Yes.
I'm saying let me just do exactly what the state did with you. Now, Mr. Ncube was taken for dental verification, and a report was written by Dr. Sol about his dental verification. That report was brought to court here. It was handed to the state. The state read that report. It is in evidence. Dr. Sol confirmed that Mr. Ncube, and as you correctly say it.
These are the issues that never came out as a result of cross-examination. I never mentioned the dental report because I know this witness will not assist this court with that report, my lord. So this is new evidence, my lord.
I did not get the nature of the objection, ma'am.
I am saying the line of questioning by Advocate Mnisi is something that did not come out as a result of cross-examination by the state. I submit, my lord, that what is happening now is re-examination, my lord. We're not starting with new issues afresh.
Udaba-ke u-Advocate Mnisi abuza ngalo lukaDokotela uSol asilona-ke udaba engibuze ufakazi ngalo manje-ke sekubufakazi obunye-ke noma obushwa-ke manje lokhu abuza ngabo akabuzi-ke imibuzo ephuma-ke kule mina ebengibuza yona.
No, my apologies, my lord. My lord, this is indeed a re-examination. It has got to do with the observation being what is identified in the photo there, that teeth which has been colored to appear as if it is gold, being said that is gold. I've said to you, there's a report that was penned by Dr. Sol. I made a mistake. There's a case that I was dealing with where Dr. Sol was involved. So this report was penned by Dr. Ali. Now, Dr. Ali confirmed what you've just told to this court, that you never know Mr. Ncube having a golden teeth, a gold in his teeth. Dr. Ali said...
Objection, my lord.
Does it arise from cross-examination, Mr.
No,
Ncube?
my lord.
Please, just...
It does, my lord. It does. Remember, the issue of a gold is something that came out of cross-examination. So this is just a re-examination with regard to that very same aspect. And I am really saying to this witness, your observation that came out of cross-examination that Mr. Ncube never had a gold tooth, or that you never saw Mr. Ncube having a gold tooth, is confirmed by report of Dr. Ali. That report which was read by the state into record. That is all that I want to put to.
Maybe if Mr. Mnisi can just read the contents of the report to this witness. That's not my recollection regarding that report. That report, my lord, I remember I even objected at some stage. You said currently. You never said never gold tooth. That was not the report. I can also assist the court with the report, but that is not my recollection.
That is his recollection, my lord, which is his own recollection. But Dr. Ali, who assessed Mr. Ncube when he was referred for a dental evaluation to determine whether he ever had a golden teeth, Dr. Ali said he cannot find any sign that that Mr. Ncube had a golden teeth with him.
Udokotela uAli awayethunyelwe kuyena-ke umnumzana Ncube ukuthi-ke ayombheka ayomhlola-ke amazinyo washo-ke uma ngabe bhala umbiko-ke owalethwa-ke phambi kwayo le nkantolo ukuthi-ke lokho-ke yena-ke akubonayo akuthola ukuthi-ke akakukho nje akuthola noma kuyinkomba yokuthi-ke umnumzana Ncube wake wanezinyo-ke.
That basically confirms what you've just told to this court in cross-examination.
Lokho-ke manje kuqinisekisa lokhu wena oqeda ukutshela inkantolo manje kubufakazi bakho.
Thank you, Mr. Buthelezi. I've got no further questions to you.
As a court, this is my lord. Can I place what's written before Mr. Mnisi concludes his cross-examination? What is recorded on the report?
Was it handed up, that report?
That is correct, my lord.
Yes, it was. The state read it into record even before we could do it.
Was it a comprehensive report? Because as I remember, it was not. The fact that Rata in 1920 is said to be having a golden teeth or an insert, and then somebody else in 1922, who's an alleged dentist, comes and examines you and cannot find such a a tooth. It doesn't go on and say, it looks like a tooth was extracted where. If I read that, I understood it well.
Is that what the report says, my lord?
No, it doesn't say that.
What does it say, my lord? Because
Not what you are saying.
Excuse me, my lord.
It doesn't say what you are saying.
No, I'm asking that.
I'm saying Dr. Ali
Yes,
doesn't say
yes,
that patient of his
yes.
was extracted, a tooth or a teeth, or teeth were extracted
Yes.
at a particular denture. Doesn't say that.
No, my lord.
Besides, there's no golden tooth.
No.
Okay, fine, I'll read it myself.
Please,
Otherwise, we're going to waste time.
But I'm going to request the court, my lords, to basically understand that report the way in which it was written by Dr. Ali. And the fact that the court says it does not mean that when a person in 1920 had a golden teeth, and then in 2000 he's referred for an evaluation, then the report cannot, or the report must say that it does not mean that in 1920 he never had a golden teeth. I don't know where that comes from, but because the report specifically says that, look, there are no signs that Mr. Mncube or the patient, or in this report, Mr. Mncube, there are no indications that Mr. Mncube ever had or had a golden insert in his dental formula, except for those abrasions which could be because of hard toothbrushing and stuff like that. That's all what the report is
You must
saying.
remember we've got two dental reports.
Dental report.
Yeah, we've got two
Yes.
in this court.
Yes.
Yeah, that's all I'm saying.
I'm
There was a dental report of Dr. Clarke in Rustenburg. You remember that one?
No, I'm talking about the dental. I thought the court is saying that it has got two dental reports as
Yes,
they
there
relate
are
to
two
Mr.
dental
Mncube.
reports in this court.
No, man, that other one does not relate to Mr. Mncube. I'm talking about the one that relates to Mr. Mncube. So I don't want to confuse that
Okay,
other
fine.
report that does not refer to Mr. Mncube.
Okay.
I'm only concerned about the one that refers to Mr. Mncube, which was prepared by Dr. Ali after having observed Mr. Mncube.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, madam. That is all from me, sir. Thank you, sir.
Siyabonga, Mqedeli.
Thank you, my lord. I have no questions. Thank you.
I have no questions, my lord.